Hi. I'm here to talk to you about font table. The font table contains the information for registering font files with the system. The font table has the following columns. Column type key nullable file identifier YN font title text NY columns file external key into the file table entry for the font file. It is recommended that the component containing the font file have the fonts folder specified in the directory column of the component table. Font title font name. It is recommended that you leave this column null for TrueType fonts and TrueType collections because the installer can register the font after reading the correct font title from the font file. If the font name is entered, it must be identical to font title from the font file. You must specify a title for fonts that do not have embedded names, such as font files. Remarks. This table is referred to when the register fonts action or the unregister fonts action is executed. If the font title field is left null, the font name is read directly from the font file specified. If the font name recorded into the font title field differs from the internal font name recorded in the font file, the font is registered twice by the register fonts action. Font files should not be authored with a language ID, as fonts do not have an embedded language ID resource. Thus the language column of the file table should be left null for font files. Because the installer does not ref-count font files by default, pre-existing font files may be removed with their component when uninstalling an application. To ensure that a font file is not removed, authors may set the MSIDB component attribute as shared DLL ref count or MSIDB component attribute as permanent bit flags in the attributes column of the component table. MSI component table for the component containing the font file. Validation. ICE06, ICE32, ICE60. Hope you found it useful. For more information please click the link in description.